I am grabbing ice cream from a tub, vanilla ice cream, and turning it into chocolatey peanut butter soft serve goodness. It is so easy to do, and trust me, it tastes really good. Look at that. Oh yeah. I can't believe I just did that on camera. So stick around and check it out. Cheers. G'day everybody and welcome to My Aussie Garden Kitchen. If it's your first time here, my name is Darren, but please call me Daz. And in this video, I'm going to be doing a little ice cream hack. It's something that I've been doing since I was a kid, and it's been brought up in conversation, so here it is. I'm making a video of it. Alright, so quite simply, we've just taken our ice cream out of the container, put it into the bowl like that. Now we'll just give the spoon a rinse, just to get that ice cream off there, because we're going to be sticking it into one of the other containers. Then we're going to be grabbing our Nutella. There we go, Nutella. Everyone knows what it is. Nutella, Nutella, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to take that Nutella and open it up. Get a scoop out of it. That'll do. Don't have to measure it to be exact. This is not a science project. Next, we've got peanut butter. I'm just using a generic home brand peanut butter. Not being too fussy here. Like I said, this is not exactly gourmet food. And we're just going to chuck a big whack of peanut butter in there, like so. Oh well, some left on the spoon. I'll just eat that off the spoon. Things I do for you guys on YouTube. Oh, that's good. So there we go. We've got the choc hazelnut spread from the Nutella. We've got peanut butter and we've got vanilla ice cream. Then we have the very complicated task of mixing it together. So I'm just going to push it all in and give it a stir. Now when you mix it, you can be really thorough and get it all mixed up, or you can just do it so it leaves bits of vanilla ice cream, traces of hazelnut chocolate through, and traces of peanut butter. And there you go, just like that, you've got soft serve peanut butter choc hazelnut ice cream, and the flavor is absolutely killer. That peanut butter in there makes the ice cream go even more smoother and creamier. You really have to try it to see what I'm talking about. Not the healthiest thing in the world, so make sure you go out and exercise after, brush your teeth before you go to bed, but enjoy it while you've got it. Cheers. So there you go. It's a bit different. It's not your traditional cooking video, but you know what? This is me. These are the things I do, and these are the things I'm going to show you. So thanks very much for watching my video. I do appreciate you being here. Please consider giving a thumbs up. Also, if you do subscribe, it's totally free. Hitting that bell down there next to it gives you notifications of when all my other videos and live streams are coming out on YouTube. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, pop them down below. I always answer my comments. I shall see you next time. Check out my other videos and all that sort of stuff. And thanks very much. Bye for now.